Hi there, Tom Hughes here. Here I am in my sunny Northern Ireland garden, 1 week after we finished our tour with Yellotools last week in Germany. It was absolutely awesome. I've got hours of video footage, so I'm going to release that footage and the edited versions part by part, piece by piece. This is the first part today. I really hope you enjoy it. It was absolutely amazing. One of, if not the best lean small company in the world. And big shout out to Michael Altoff and all the team at Yellotools. Just thank you so much for your hospitality and spending an entire day with us. And also to my team at Lumen Electronics. I'm sure you learned every bit as much as I did. Thanks to every one of you. It was such a lovely experience sharing that with you. So over to Yellotools Lean Tour. Enjoy. So there we go, boys. Morning at Yellotools. Look at this place. We need that. Jack, do that in our rider. Getting some Kathy Schwartz. It's a nice surroundings, isn't it? What do you reckon, Ryan?
Yeah.
Precision. And the plastic bags go here.
Yes.
First thing at Yellotools. Waiting for the morning meeting. Sandbox. Michael. Gina.
Simone.
Vimona.
Simone.
Ich freue mich, Sie kennenzulernen.
Thing is that this is Alex, so don't drink from it. It's not respectful. This is Gabi, and so on.
Is that
so
why you picked the milk out for me? Because you were wondering
you
how does
asked
I
me?
go
Yes,
in?
you asked me.
and
Yeah.
So,
let's
what's
say
the-
it's,
oh,
it's coming
wow.
out of the dishwasher, and then you have if you put it on here, the water can't
Yeah, it
evaporate.
sits everywhere
you know?
and
So
bugs
with
this.
this one, it goes where we want
Beautiful.
to have it.
I love that.
You know?
We got to do that.
The same mold. The mold is made for that exact reason, so that you don't have any fog or any moisture or something like this in it. You know, and everything. Oops,
yellow fruit?
Yeah. So we have the fruit guy comes in on Monday. You know, we pay for fruit for everyone for a whole week. And on Friday, we ask everyone, please take as much as you want, even for home, so
how
it's
is it?
not rotten.
And then this is after work drink.
Yeah. In this,
Are you Bavarian?
in this case, it's-
That coffee there,
as
yeah.
you can see, it works.
Das funktioniert. Ganz
We
gut.
used to have a rag of beer in there with a little Kanban card.
And the Kanban card was never
We
there.
have at our place we have two Kanban cards that are critical: the toilet roll and well, for us it's not beer, it's the coffee. The coffee Kanban
So
card
that,
can't
that
fail.
is solved because
I love that machine.
this GSM connection,
Oh, nice.
and it reports the filling of the tanks to the company, and they send the coffee automatically, so we
Wow.
don't have to.
No Kanban.
No Kanban.
Yeah.
Because one card for the
Ears,
earplugs are right here. You know, that's the level. It works. You know, you have our standard workboards all over the places printed out.
Beautiful.
And that's
The level of thoughtfulness applied to every square inch of this place is unbelievable. Look at this salt and pepper holder. Instead of just shuttering it on the table, they have this little holder that you can lift the whole thing off to make cleaning the table easy. Perfectly.
So you clock in with your thumb. We used to have a little chip. I don't know, for some reasons they forgot the chip.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot the card. Let's go back. So it's pretty unlikely that you forget your thumb. So that's pretty good. And if you don't have your thumb with you,
We're in other trouble. Again, look at the respect for people. Look at those white lockers for personal effects. Look at all the care and attention for the health and safety stations. Just beautiful.
it's emergency station. That's why we mounted a phone here, so there's no cell phone like little thing. You can't take it away. You know, you can, but you know. This is all the numbers for the relatives, so just in case something happens, so you know exactly if Christoph gets hurt, he calls his wife, even on the cell phone or at work. I have my own IT team here. And they were able to.
That's certainly something I've noticed. People like In the Ditch or Seating Matters, a lot of the best lean companies have got a software development capability in-house to facilitate their people's creativity to make improvements, and Yellotools have that too. Personally, I think it's just as important as a physical lean cave to have a software lean cave.
My sister Gabi is cleaning the bathroom upstairs, Melly is cleaning the bathroom downstairs, and Gina's house has kitchen. And bring it to the hospital. Or, which is pretty funny
That's the first place?
You have an emergency.
That's your 2 bin.
This is what, not in case of an emergency.
Yeah.
You know, so that's why we blocked it in a different color.
Yep.
Nice. A lot of thought in there.
Yeah.
There's Telfer.
Yeah, this is the first aerospace. Everything here is on pegboards because we want to be able to change it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, if we figure out that this needs to be here or extended or that is redundant, so we take this off and go for
Can I
it.
just have a look?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what look, Johnny boy.
So you can take this
I
off.
love that, dude.
You know?
Super.
See the line.
Yeah, that
Gorgeous.
matches this one.
Gorgeous.
So that
That's
no, yeah.
That is so cool.
That looks so
Could we do that in our rider?
Yeah, we could, yeah,
It's
but
very
we need to
expensive
have
if,
some
if you buy that stuff.
Yeah.
And the manufacturers is super expensive,
Uh-huh.
and it never
some
really,
decent wood.
it never really
Some
fits
ply.
your needs.
Mhm.
So it's on purpose that we put everything on pegboards or flexible so that we engage people, change things. I don't phone that much because it's too static. It's not engaging people to change it rapidly, you know, because let's say once you have that phone cut out,
Yeah,
you keep
mentally
it that
you're-
way. You know, you took so much effort in that. You know, you put so much work in it. You're like, I don't want to change it. It looks so nice. Or you can have it imagine, and it fits perfectly.
Yeah, we have similar ones, but they're just like 2-prong clips.
Yeah.
And they're,
Look at this stuff. It's mind blowing.
But in this case, we have a little window in here, so we
Yeah.
have a little bit of visual control. You know, you can
Drawers
see
with
what's
windows.
in there. Yeah, we make them ourselves.
My head is blown.
You know, because we want to see inside. We don't
Yes,
want to
we-
have
yeah.
it open end.
Alright, what's in that drawer and open
Yeah,
it?
you can know. So, but
Everyone's
here,
just 3 things in it.
drawers at this station makes a 6 or 7 step process to do this. But in order for that, we need to send this to the Teflon company. So we send it like in a bag, but then they come back scratched
shitty.
and
Yeah.
shitty and stuff like this. So we built that little thing.
Yeah.
We send it like this to the Teflon, and they send it back like that.
Yeah.
So they're totally
Nice.
safe, and we can stack it. Yeah. We can put a Kanban card in here, but the other thing is, if they're raw, if they're coming from the manufacturing, they need to be sanded and buffed down. And for that, we build a little tray, you know, and that one you can roll, you can bring over to the place where we sand it down. So everything is stacked. You have visual control of how many do I have to do today, you know, and you take this out, you're taking it to the buffing, the sanding station, and then you take it back in here, and then you roll it for the packaging to the assembly, or in this case, right here to that spot.
Workstation was just beside the morning meeting area where I noticed the poster and how simple Michael and the team were keeping lean. Fix what bugs you, make a customer happy, or be 2 seconds better than yesterday. Respect for each other. See waste, feel waste. We're going to come on to that more later in part 2, and feel lean. And then how they were adapting 3S to German between sweeping, sortieren and standards, adapting it to the local culture. Just brilliant. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of the Yellotools video. That's only about the first half hour of a full day tour. So there are many more installments to come. Again, huge shout out to Michael Altoff and all the team at Yellotools. Huge shout out to my colleagues at Lumen for making the day so much fun. Stay tuned for the next installment. Subscribe to the channel. Have an awesome day. Thanks everybody.